Thank you for being part of the Elegant Designs family. And if you're not already a member of my channel and you like what you see, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell twice so you'll know when I upload a new video. In today's video, I bring to you my Dollar Tree Glam DIY candle holders. These are candle holders I had already. I DIY'd maybe about 7 months ago and decided to repurpose them for the holidays. So today's video, I'm using all Dollar Tree items with the exception of the pearls. You will need a brush, and I'm using red glitter, Mod Podge. So now I'll be adding the Mod Podge on the top. And I'm doing it section by section. And as you can see, I've already taped the bottom part of it so no Mod Podge or glitter gets on it. Also, at the end of the video, you will see where I styled these beautiful candle holders in my living room area, along with a DIY Dollar Tree tray, and where I use the same pearls to design the tray. And now I've completed the glitter part of this DIY, and I'm going to move on to adding the pearls. Now, if you were to do this whole DIY from scratch, you do have the option of putting the pearls inside of the actual candle holder, the bottom portion. But since I did this DIY already, so I'm going to add the pearls on the outside. And I'm using a glue gun to adhere the pearls to the glass. just took about 3 rows of pearls. Now I've completed the second step of this DIY, and now I will move on to the next step. So here, with this candle holder, the top is a little bit heavy for the bottom because it's not proportioned. So what I decide to do is I did cut off these cardboards, and the cardboards was purchased from Dollar Tree, and you can use a regular box. And I use a 4x4 glass frame from a picture frame to cut that circle off. And I I'm going to hot glue the candle holder to the cardboard. And just make sure it's centered. So by adding the cardboard, it gives it more stability. So now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to Mod Podge the bottom portion and add the red glitter to it. So here I'm adding the Mod Podge, and I did add a generous amount of Mod Podge, especially in the area where the holder and the box, the card box meets. So when I do add the glitter, it would sort of blend in. Both parts are actually blend in. Here I'm adding Mod Podge on the edge of the cardboard, and I'll be adding glitter to that part as well. I did add 3 coats of Mod Podge as well as glitter. the last step of this DIY. And now I'm just spot checking to see where additional glitter is needed. And also shaking off excess glitter. And now you will see where I iced out these beautiful holiday candle holders. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you're not a member of my channel and you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the Elegant Design family. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. I want to wish everyone a happy holiday, Merry Christmas. I will see you in my next video. Thanks again and stay blessed.